Hi traders, this is Aleks FX and I'm trading a Forex Beginner Strategy on the New Zealand US dollar. This is a daily chart we're currently looking at, and you can see we've been in a nice uptrend. We're currently coming off a key level of resistance. You can see this level across here. See how it's acted as resistance, 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 and then we've had some really nice rejection currently. On the 4-hour chart, you see this up move. It hit resistance, came back down, and you see how we've got this big rejection here. So sellers are definitely in control in the higher time frames. Here's the 30-minute chart, big downtrend, broke this down fractal right here, and the market direction changed from down to up at the break of this up fractal. You can see it's miles away. So we're looking for a trading opportunity. Now if you go to the 5-minute chart, see the pullback broke this up fractal. So we're looking for a break of a down fractal, and you can see that's happened right over here. So we've just actually been ended short, and I'll show you the working orders. There's the working order. So it's 1 pip below the break of this down fractal, stop loss above the up fractal tip, and take profit at the next pivot down, which is daily S2 pivot. You can see the working order there. So we're just waiting to see what happens here. We've had a nice little candle close below this level. Currently just over 3 pips up on the trade. So nice bit of momentum coming in. We've got this area we need to get to. Let's just have a look at the 30-minute chart. See this down move here, and you see this rejection wick. And here's the hourly chart. You see what that wick's reacted from on the left-hand side. You can see the support in here. So we can definitely expect some buyers around here. And I just want to look at sort of problematic areas where price may store. So you see they've got this level over here. See how I hacked as support, and then it's come back and spiked support twice. So price is coming into this level, and I just want to watch it very closely. Currently around the 4 pip markup. So still pushing strongly. Alright, so you could take some profits here. I'm going to just see what happens. You can see we've had rejection there before. So there's a quick 6 pips you could bank there if you wanted to, but I'm going to see if we can get a move lower here after this big down move earlier in the session. See the close, we've closed right down at this area of support here, so we really need to see a close back below this level. Otherwise, obviously we've got this daily S2, but I see a bounce here quite easily now. You can see the buyers coming in here at the moment. So really looking for a close below this level now. That'll already tell me who's in control. And you see how the buyers are coming off this level here. And this area above us, I'm looking for resistance or the sellers to come in if we do get a deeper retracement now. So could quite easily see some decent buying coming off here. So just waiting to see what happens. We need to see a candle close below this level. That's really the key to this trade working out now. So I'm just waiting to see what happens here. No aggressive selling just yet. So really watching to see what happens. You can see we're stuck in a bit of a range at the moment. And obviously that highlighted area, that area of support, is from the hourly support area or 30-minute support area. So it's a place where you can expect taking profits or buyers to come into the market. So we want to be a little bit cautious around here. Currently 4 pips up on the trade. Can't reduce risk just yet. We need to wait and see if we can get another fractal forming. So very slow market at the moment. We'll see if we can get renewed selling coming in at some point. So really just being patient now to see what price does next. Alright, so price has moved down. You can see the candle action here. Back at support here. Hasn't been strong enough to come back and test resistance above where the entry is. So I'm looking for a break and now retest of this current support area. Really tell us who's in control. You can see there's no buying pressure just yet, but this is really what I want to watch closely now. If we get a close back above this area of support, you can see we're currently around the 5 pip mark. If we close now above this level, I'm going to at least take half my position off here because we can quite easily see the buyers come back in here. So just wait and see what this candle close does. Ideally a nice bearish close would be good. See the buyers struggling at this, well the sellers struggling at this here, buyers coming in. Alright, so we've had this candle close here. It's not very convincing in terms of the bears being in control. So I've just closed half the position off now. Gives us about 7 pips in the account. So we'll see what happens. Still struggling. You see, we've got this fractal forming now. We need a second candle to close. And then I'm going to get some risk out on this trade. The price is still moving down nicely, but I really want to see a close below here. Right, so you can see prices come back up now. And with this close, you see that second close, it's above this area of support. I've managed to reduce the risk on the trade now. So very, very small risk on the trade. See if we can get momentum pushing lower. If not, I mean, don't get a surge now, then I'm going to look at possibly closing this trade off. It's not going anywhere too fast. Let's see what this candle close does. I can get a push lower and get paid. Alright, so we've had a little close there. That looked pretty decent. It's just a first close below this area of support, which I like. We're coming into this sort of support zone. Okay, so this S2, and remember we got that spike, that wick previously hitting that S2 pivot. So watching this closely, and I don't like this price action, so I'm going to close this off. Alright, so I've taken the remainder of the position off at just over 9 pips. And there's the trades dragged on the chart. And you see this area I've just highlighted here, that support area. That's where I sort of expect buyers to come in at. So let's recap. 30 minute, we've had a big push down. The market direction was obviously down here. And on the 5 minute, we look for a trading opportunity, which we got with a break of this little up fractal. Then we got entered short at the break of a down fractal with a target at the S2 pivot. And obviously we've got this key support area from the 30 minutes. So I've taken part of the position off there, and I just don't like the way price is acting at the moment. So I've just closed the remainder of the position off. So we averaged 7 and then 9 pips. So hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.